What's going on, everybody? So I'm just leaving. I left Myrtle Grove, got home, realized I lost all my GoPro batteries, and so I came all the way back to Myrtle Grove, and look what I see on the side of the road on Bell Chase Highway. It's my batteries. Look at that. Thank God I found them, because that would have really sucked. Let's see what I would have lost. Recording this on my cell phone. I would have lost 5 GoPro batteries, a GoPro, and my nice little case. Woo! Thank God I found them. Hey, what's going on, y'all? So I'm out here in Myrtle Grove. It's in the low 30s, so it's pretty chilly. I'm hoping we could get on some redfish. If this is your first time here, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button for me. I really appreciate it. And if you like what you see, hit that thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you think. And y'all stay tuned. I caught one, didn't have the camera on. He's gonna get us another one. I got one. There we go. Got another one. Got another one, baby. It's a good one. Get the net. Get the net. Might be it. Nope, it's a red. It's a red. Get in there. I'm gonna have to measure him. Ooh, look at him. Yeah, I just caught a keeper. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video. I caught 2 nice reds. Didn't have the camera on for the first one, but I'm freezing my butt off. I'm in a nice warm truck now. I hope y'all enjoyed this short little video. Hit that subscribe button for me, and I'll see you next time. Peace.